So today's discussion is about the cluster sampling. Here in this video we will discuss in a very brief what do you understand by cluster sampling. So cluster sampling is a probability sampling technique where researchers divide the population into multiple groups or in clusters for research. Researchers then select random groups within a simple random or systematic random sampling technique for data collection and data analysis. In cluster sampling, instead of selecting all the subjects from the entire population right off, the researcher takes several steps in gathering his sample population. So as I previously explained that first the researcher selects groups or clusters, and then from each cluster the researcher select the individual subjects by either simple random or systematic random sampling. The researcher can even opt to include the entire cluster and not just a subset from it. Consider a case, for example, like a television making company is looking to survey the users of users of that company television across India. Firstly, as per the cluster sampling, they will divide the entire country's population into cities, or that cities are also, you will say here in cluster sampling, in different clusters, and then select further towns with the highest population and also filter those using television. So here in this example you can see the entire population is divided into four different groups, like group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 4. Now by using the simple random sampling process or the systematic random sampling, the sample is selected, and in the sample group 1 and the group 4 is are in your sample. All the elements in group 1 and group 4 are in your sample. So that is all about the cluster sampling. Thank you for watching.